All right, so welcome to Louisiana gardening family. It's been a while since we sat down for one of these and actually did one of those good old-fashioned garden chats. I started these like last year, and I thought since this was like the beginning of spring that this would be a good time to start these. In one way, to get other people motivated, and in another way, just to sit down and kind of talk a little while, take a break from doing the work, and just find a good teachable moment. You might not know this, but a lot of the videos that we've been doing these past few weeks, since kind of like around before Zachariah was born, those videos have been in part because we've been able to get much more done than we anticipated because of the love and support that we've gotten from particular people. Now I'm a little different in the way I view things and the way I view the world, and that is, if you've watched this channel and watched our garden chats, then you know I take some scriptural things and I kind of try to translate it or make it relate to gardening and just life in general. So today's garden chat, I say, when you do good and when you bless people, you know, keep a secret, you know, or keep it secret, because when the Messiah or Christ was teaching the prayer, the Our Father prayer, he talked a lot before he even taught that prayer, and one of the sticking points that I got out of it is he said, don't be like the heathens. They only help people because they want to be seen of men, right? Oh, look what I did for them. Oh, look what I did for them. Or I did this for you. How dare you turn your back on me? He said, don't be like those people. He said, when you do your alms or when you bless other people, don't sound the alarm. He said, when you do your things, you do those things in secret, and the Father that sees what you do in secret, he'll do the rewarding, or he'll bless you. So to you, my brother, I told y'all I got that load of dirt cost me $120 worth of dirt, and a guy that watches the channel, and that's the only reason I won't say your name. If it was any other reason other than I don't want to steal your blessing, right? I want God to do something. I want the Father to do something great for you. So, but He sent us a financial blessing that we were able to go in and buy that soil. So I want to dedicate this garden chat to you, my brother, and to my sister as well. I know you know who you are, that has been so graciously given to us, messaging us, seeing if we need this or if we need that. To you, I won't say your name either, but I will say thank you, and it's only because I don't want people to find your name in the comment thread and start telling you, oh, that was so nice what you did for them, and so nice, because what the Messiah says is, if that happens, then that's your reward. I don't want that to be your reward. I don't want your reward to be people just thanking you. I want the Father to do something greater than that for you. So just know that you've not only blessed me, but like this little pretty faced girl here, you blessed the whole family of people, 7 kids, you know. That's something amazing to me, not to many people. So that's the reason, and I want to tell you all, I mean, when you go out of your way to help people, You don't have to go home and tell your mom what you did, or you don't have to go home and tell your sisters what you did or who you gave to. When you give, let that be between you and the Father, right? And he promised, look, somebody's calling me. Probably another blessing on the way. Or my sister. Yeah, my sister. So I gotta go because my sister needs a little help with something. So we gotta get out of here, and we're gonna close this gardening thing up for the day. So I got it under 6 minutes. I finished it. I just wanted to say thank y'all, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you, sister. You've done a great thing. And grow, grow, grow. Peace. We love you. We out. Pew!